Hello crafters, Flavia here, and thank you so much for joining me today. So this is my very first time participating in the Spellbinders Weekender virtual retreat. I've got this gorgeous Weekender box right here, and we are going to open it up together to see what's inside. By the way, in the back we have a sneak peek, and we also have a list of the contents of this box, which are 1 3D embossing folder, 7 die sets, 1 clear stamp set, 1 stencil set, 1 pack of ribbons, which I love, 1 pack of gemstones, 1 cardstock bundle, and 1 enamel pin. This is such a fun idea, especially for those of us who cannot always make it to in-person craft retreats. A virtual retreat means everyone can join in from anywhere. And the lineup of instructors is just amazing. We will have wonderful crafters teaching us how to make beautiful projects such as Kim Casty, Yana Smakula, Nicole Spohr, Jennifer Maguire, and so much more. So I am very excited about this retreat. As we can see here, this kit is packed with a tropical safari vibe. I'm already obsessed with the die sets because die cutting is my favorite technique, and these designs are just amazing. By the way, these sets, they are exclusive products, and I do not think they will be available in later releases. So let me get organized here so we can take a closer look at each one of these sets. So included in this kit, we have this book over here, which is very beautiful and helpful. So as we open it, on the first page, we have a checklist of all of the things that we need to do to get ready for the retreat, along with a supply list down here at the bottom. Then, flipping this, we get to the first project that we're gonna be able to create with this kit, taught by J.C. Gasper. So along with a picture of his beautiful project, we also have on the right side the supply list and the step-by-step instruction, which is wonderful. And then on the next page, we have a space to write down some notes if you need to when watching the classes. Then we have another beautiful project by J.C. Gasper, along with the supplies and instructions. Then we get to Yana Smakula's project, also with a list of supplies and instructions and a little space to write down some notes if you need to. We also have a picture of a second project by Yana Smakula. Then we have another one by Kim Casty, and so much more. So seeing all of these beautiful projects that we're going to be able to create with these amazing products is making me even more excited to be participating in this retreat. And I actually appreciate Spellbinders for being so thoughtful and organized when coming up with this kit. So next, here are all of the beautiful colors of cardstock by Spellbinders that we get with the Weekender Goes Wild 2026. I love Spellbinders cardstock. I use it a lot because it's heavyweight, the quality is great and just perfect for all of the different techniques such as die cutting, stamping, dry embossing, even with 3D embossing folders and hot foiling. Next, here we have the embossing folder included in this kit. This is a 3D embossing folder, which means we're gonna get a lot of beautiful texture with this folder, and I'm gonna add a piece of green cardstock inside so you can better see the patterns. Gorgeous. Moving on, here is the stamp set that we get with this kit. Just like any Spellbinders collection, all of the different products, they complement each other really well, making it really easy for us to come up with designs. And I am crazy about the unique sentiments that we get with this stamp set, such as Don't Blend, Be Bold, love this one, Enjoy the Adventure, Stay Fierce, Wildly Thankful, You're a Force of Nature, You Were Made to Stand Out, Celebrate Loud. Love these messages. I'm sure I will be using this a lot. Next, we have the stencil set, which is, this is a layering stencil. And in the back of the packaging, we have a picture of the beautiful panel that we can create with the set. So this comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different layers that we can use to add different colors to different sections of this image. Then we have the Bird of Paradise die set with 8 cutting dies, and here is the example of the pieces that we can create with this die set. Then we have another die set with 22 die plates that we can use to cut out different pieces to create this beautiful bird sitting on a branch with lots of different leaves and flowers. I'm gonna save this for last. Oh yeah, okay, so here is the die set, the coordinating die set. So if you want to die cut the stamped sentiments, you can, because we also get the coordinating die set. Then we have another wild animal die set. So this is the Jungle Cat. It's a die set with 11 cutting plates to create this beautiful animal. And here are 2 very small die sets with lots of plates that we can use to create these images over here. Love this chameleon. I can't wait to begin cutting with these plates. And here is the largest die set of them all. So this is the Rainforest Falls, and here are all of the different plates that we can use to cut out pieces to create this waterfall. Last but not least, rub-ons. I love rub-ons. They are so easy to use, and it is just so addicting actually to use. So we have a wooden stick that we can use to press the image down on the paper, and with the set we have 2 pages with large images and some of the sentiments that we can rub onto a piece of cardstock. It's the same sentiments that we can stamp with the sentiment stamp set, and the images are just gorgeous. And here are the last 3 products that we get with this set. This one, I actually want to open it. So this is the enamel pin. Just beautiful. Here we have some Color Essential Gems by Spellbinders. We have it in black and white, and this set comes with 108 gems. I don't know if it's showing on the video, but it has a lot of sparkle. I love Spellbinders gems. And last but not least, here we have a bag of beautiful cutout pieces. So these are in the shape of tags, and this has some impressions on it to indicate where we need to fold. So we're probably going to be able to create some pop-up elements for our note cards with these sets, I'm assuming. And check out the beautiful cutout images that we get. I love this set. So this is all that I have for today, and I thank you for joining me. By the way, I will have a link in the description box if you want to grab one of these boxes yourself. Even though it is close to the event date, I think they still have some available. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.